everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing with you the June CraftyBonbons box, and I believe that the theme for this box is Bloomin' Lovely. I think, because it is Bloomin' Lovely. I've seen the sneak peeks and it is absolutely gorgeous. So let's see what's inside. Ta-da! Here we go. Whoa. Oh my days. Straight away I can see this pink pen. That is so cute. Right, let's see. It's black and it's like a gel pen. That is great. And then it says yes you can. And then you get a floral heart button embellishment. Packet of those. And then you get a, what are these? Oh, these are like cards, but it says date, name, and event. Oh, it says January milestones, February, so like a year long of recording milestones in your journal, in your planner. So you've got every month of the year. Oh, that is beautiful. That big. Right, what's next? So you get, oh, let's see, you get this magnetic bookmarker, and it would always be personalized if you pre-order. Well, they try to personalize everything, so mine has got the initial of my first name, which is S. That will be great for my journal. And then you get a set of stickers. Get a whatchamacallit, tab stickers. That's great. And some kind of like checklist stickers. And then you get, I'm sure there's one more of these. Oh, there it is. 4 journaling cards. Oh wow, I like this. Oh, I love this. I love this. And then you get another flower and butterfly embellishments. And this is the info about the Facebook group and the Etsy shop collaboration. It's between Crafty Ali Cat, Stick It with Bonbons, and Bonbons Kawaii in Etsy, on Etsy. That's why it's CraftyBonbons. And then you get a leaf post-it notes. You get these floral washi tape. That's cute. And then you get these kind of like, wow, they're washi tape, but they're sticker, they're self-adhesive paper, so you can use as a washi tape in your planner or your journal. I like these. I like this one. The yellow ones are really nice and pretty and bright. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. And then you've got your vinyl stickers, which is again my initial, and that one. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, and then I ordered A5 traveler's notebook just because I like A5s. And this one says pretty things inside. Let's see. Oh, I think these are stickers. Oh, hang on a minute. Out you come. They're flowers, sunflowers, and I think sunflowers and daisy. Nice. Oh wow, and I think that's buttercups, I'm not sure. But yeah, oh my goodness, this one's quite cute. You get lots. That's dandelions, I think. Maybe, looks like it. Oh, oh my goodness, they're so cute. That is lovely. Right, so that's that one. And then you get a packet of die cuts. Oh, I love that one. That is so pretty. Oh, here it is again, that little window sheet. Oh my goodness. How pretty is this? Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness. Right. And this one is another packet of die cut. But in a different floral theme. You've got shoes. Look at that. My goodness, they're so pretty. Oh wow. Yeah, I'd wear that shoes. That's so pretty. And this one too. And this one. And this one. Every single lot of them. I have an idea. Right. So those are pretty. Oh, I see. Oh, I like this. I like this. I like that a lot. And then you get a packet of like die cuts. You know what? I love this botanical die cut. Look at it. I'm gonna put it here. So you get that one. And you get these little pretty floral flower things, little things. And you get this like, I think hollyhock die cuts. I like this. Oh, this one's quite pretty too. Oops. Yeah, that one's nice. This one. That one. Oh, it's gorgeous. Oh. What's this? Oh, that one's quite pretty too. Right. That one's lovely. And then you get another packet filled with like bits and bombs. Those are flowers. Oh, wow. Oh, put that in here. These are like Oh, these are like what you call that, seaweedy stuff. Who? Oh, come on. So tangled up. There we go. You've got this, and I think it's a good thing that you get double-sided colors, so you can have it blue or white. Petal, flower, little what you call it, frames, tabs, and I think that's a bamboo. Whoops. Okay, so then you get 4 adhesive labels, and then I'm presuming we've got 8 sheets of these yeah, 8 sheets of this letter writing paper, and it all matches with that adhesive label. And then you get your paper. So that's one. It's good quality paper. It's really, really smooth. It's so pretty. And then you get this. I like this. This is so cheerful, don't you think? So cheerful. And this one, wow. And this one, this one's pretty. And this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. This one's quite cool. That one. And that one. And last but not least, that one. I like this one because you kind of like filled every single thing. Anyway, so that is it, guys. This is the June Crafty Bonbons box, and I hope you like what I've shared. Please do give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great week. Bye.